Comparison video today. We are comparing this convertible sofa couch, sofa bed couch, with most other convertible sofa beds in this kind of price point and category. So what I did is I put together 3 points of comparison just to help you make a quick, informed buying decision, because you're really weighing. You're like, should I go with this? There's so many other ones available on Amazon. I'll help you figure that out right now. My brother and I review this stuff all the time. So we went ahead and bought it so you can get an idea of if you want to buy it too. So point number 1, it's a true 4-in-1 multi-use design. Let's go ahead. What else do I say there? Do I say anything interesting? Well, many convertible sofa couches only do 1 or 2 things. This one covers 4 different setups: seating, lounging, bedtime, and convenience with built-in cup holders. Okay, yes, it does. Let's go ahead and show you. So here it is in its lay-down setting. Now, I want to tell you, this is not flimsy at all. This is a very nice memory foam kind of vibe mattress. You don't feel the ground when you're on it. It's on the ground, but you feel very supported, no pressure points or anything like that. It really feels like a genuine mattress. So you can really get that vibe. Now, we can also put the cup holders up. That easily just slides into the backrest and becomes part of the couch. Very solid backrest as well. And so you got that vibe. Now, what we can also do is actually go into legit couch mode. Oopsies. Be careful. We can go into legit couch mode right here. That's how easy it is to do, guys. So this thing's incredible. And if we want, obviously we can pull out our cup holders again. So we have an armrest, or we got a place to put our drinks. So the versatility and the ease of use and the lightness, the lightweightness of it, but also, see, that's what I love about these is you're just done with the wood. You're done with the stuff that you got to put together and take apart, and it's heavy and it can't fit through the door. These things fit through the door, and you can move them around really easily. Makes it easy to, like, you know how like every now and then you want to like switch up things in a room, kind of like spruce it up, give it a little different design. Very easy to move this stuff around. So that's point number 1, true 4-in-1 design. Point number 2, cup holders and side storage pockets included. Most of the beds in this category, they're not able to do extra things because they are trying to scrimp. If you come over here, we've got these side pockets on both sides. So you can put like your iPads, your magazines, remote, phone, whatever you want. You've got cup holders right here. And then I think we've also got a pocket on the other side too. Is that right? Got a pocket on the other side too. So you're not typically going to find that kind of stuff. And then, point number 3, no assembly and pre-filled comfort. So this, dude, I mean, it speaks for itself, dude. Look at the number on the product. Let me look at the number on the product page again, just so I can like actually see how shocking it is. Yeah, I mean, where's it at? I was about to say a word. I'm a loose cannon, dude. This is a really good deal.